यो गाइस, हेलो एवरीवन। तो कैसे हो आप लोग? ओके, वेल यू ऑल नो मी, गॉट नीड टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। वेलकम टू लेट्स क्रैक केमिस्ट्री यूट्यूब चैनल, and those who don't know me, my name is Akshay Archak. I am a class 12 passed out student who has started Let's Crack Chemistry YouTube channel. If you want to gain more in chemistry in your board exams or any other exam, or if you're feared of chemistry, okay, I'm there to vanish all your fears, all your myths and doubts of CBSE class 12 chemistry. ओके, तो हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. वी सॉ इन द प्रीवियस सेशन और द प्रीवियस एपिसोड about the classification and preparation. This is the last reaction of the preparation of your haloalkanes, okay, from alcohols in your NCERT textbook. ROH plus SOCl2, okay, giving you RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन और हम इसको बोलते हैं डार्जन्स प्रोसेस या डार्जन्स मेथड. ऑल्दो द नेम इज़ नॉट गिवन इन NCERT, तो इट्स नॉट important that much. Here the SO2 and HCl evaporate as gases and the pure alkyl halide is left behind, and this statement which I have written makes this reaction important to be asked in your school examinations and board examinations. I hope this is clear. Okay, next we move to free radical halogenation. This you have studied in class 10 organic carbon and its compounds chapter. You have studied this in your class 11, okay, substitution halogenation mechanism, where you do 3 steps, okay, initiation step, chain propagation step and chain termination step. So just a repetition of the same thing. I take any alkane, I add Cl under H mu sunlight, I will give these 2 products. Okay, you can name them. Okay, very simple nomenclature. And guys, one thing, make sure you're staying till the end of this video. It's going to be very helpful. Okay, next, electrophilic substitution reaction. We take toluene under halogen, we add a halogen to it. Under Fe dark, it gives you ortho toluidine plus para toluidine. You can see I've written the major and the minor product. Guys, whenever you have ortho and para, no, para is a major product in every organic reaction and ortho is the minor product. Okay, so always whenever you get a case of ortho and para, please do mention, okay, which is ortho, which is para, if you don't want to lose any marks, because I have seen, okay, people lose marks just because they don't mention ortho and para product. Okay, so make sure you mention that to avoid of losing that half mark or 1 mark in your examinations. Okay, let's move ahead. अरे भाई, this is very important. Benzene reaction, okay, one of the most tested in your school exams and board exams. Let's see what is this Sandmeyer's reaction. First one, preparation of benzene diazonium halide. You can see the blue color compound in the first reaction is benzene diazonium halide. The benzene ring, aromatic ring, going and connecting it to N2X. So we take this aniline, the pink color ring which I have made, it is called aniline. The chemical name is benzenamine. We add sodium nitrite to it plus HX. X can be chlorine or bromine. Under 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, we get benzene diazonium halide. Now, why do we need this? Because you can see in the next reaction that we take this benzene diazonium halide, we are adding Cl to Cl2. We will get chlorobenzene plus dinitrogen gas, and this arrow which I have made, the blue color one, okay, it represents that it is the gas which is being evolved in the reaction. Second one is I take benzene diazonium halide, I add Cu2Br2, bromobenzene, okay, plus N2. You can see the last reaction on this page. The same benzene diazonium halide with potassium iodide, Ki, okay, heating will give me iodobenzene plus N2 gas. But guys, this last reaction is not a part of your Sandmeyer's reaction. Here many people confuse, okay, that this is also a part of Sandmeyer's reaction. No, your Sandmeyer's reagents are Cu2Cl2 and Cu2Br2, which you people can see in the small flow chart which I have made. Ki, potassium iodide, is not a Sandmeyer reagent. So this is not a Sandmeyer's reaction. But of course, if you want to prepare iodobenzene from benzene diazonium halide, you can follow this method. Okay, adding Ki and heating it, it will give you iodobenzene. Heating means not so strong heating. Enough warming is enough. Okay, not to supply such a high temperature for this reaction. Okay, let's move ahead. How to prepare alkyl halide from alkenes. Okay, alkenes, you know, they are sp2 hybridized carbon atom, double bond is there. We are adding HX, hydrogen halide. It will give you an alkene. You can see I've written there. This follows Markovnikov's rule. The same reaction is given in your class 11 part 2 NCERT chemistry textbook. Okay, so some reactions are just repeating. So you guys can make out how important class 11 organic is. Although there are only 2 chapters, GOC, that is general organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques, and the next chapter after that is hydrocarbons. 2 chapters in class 11 organic chemistry, but super duper important for your class 12. Okay, next one, by addition of halogens. Okay, again we take a alkene, we add bromine under CCl4. CCl4 is called as carbon tetrachloride. We get vis dibromide. I hope you all know we have geminal halides and vicinal halides. Okay, this is sometimes called as bromine water test. Again, this is again there in your class 12 NCERT textbook part 2 as well as class 11 NCERT textbook chemistry part 2. So these 2 reactions you have studied in your class 11 also. So just a repetition, you can take it as a revision. Next, before moving further, please make sure I'm repeating, okay, you watch the video till the end to get the maximum benefit. People sometimes, okay, they leave it in between and go, the flow gets cut. Okay, the flow gets cut. Okay, so you watch the full video, and if you like the video, please let me know the suggestion in the comment section below. Okay, and of course, yeah, like, share and subscribe. It will help a million of people who are watching this. Next, we go to halogenation reactions. Okay, now whenever you're studying organic chemistry, you need to have some techniques to remember, because organic chemistry is a subject where a lot of reactions are there, mechanisms are there, reagents are there. So whenever in my class 12 I studied this halogenation reaction, okay, I took it as a friend reaction. Okay, a friend reaction. I considered that here halogen, like your chlorine and bromine, are friends, iodine and fluorine are friends. It's just a way to remember. Okay, you can choose any other way to which the remember of this reaction becomes easy. The main point is how well you remember these reactions. And of course, guys, I have told in my first video also, tips to crack chemistry. Okay, for CBSE boards, you need to write and practice organic chemistry reactions. Many people by heart it and leave it. Okay, I had done the same thing in my class 11, due to which the starting phase of 12th went a bit difficult. But when I learned the technique, okay, of writing and practicing organic chemistry, okay, chemistry was so simple for me. So my humble request is, whenever you're studying chemistry, okay, be it inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, yeah, organic chemistry, write and practice. Not only chemistry, even maths and physics, these 3 subjects are, you have to write and practice, especially chemistry, because there you have to remember many reactions. Now you can only see how many reactions were discussed in these 10 to 11 minutes video, right? So writing and practicing is very important. Anyways, let's move forward. So I was telling, when I learned this halogen exchange reaction in my class 12, okay, I took it as a friend exchange reaction. Okay, a simple way to remember. You can use any other way to remember this. So first one is Schwartz reaction. I take RX, alkyl halide, I add AgF. Okay, not only AgF, you can add COF2. Okay, you can take it with CO means cobalt, you can take it with SbF2 and all. Okay, because fluorine has a very high affinity to all these elements. Under dry acetone will give me RF, alkyl fluoride plus AgX. Here I have taken X is equal to chlorine or bromine. So if you use alkyl chloride, I will get silver chloride. If I take alkyl bromide, I will get silver bromide. R is any alkyl group, up to you. You can take it to be methyl, ethyl, kuch bhi. Okay. Next, Finkelstein reaction. Okay. So Schwartz reaction was for the preparation of alkyl fluoride. This is very important reaction, guys. Please remember it. It comes n number of times in your board exams, even in various competitive exams like JEE Main. If you see your past year question papers, okay, they have asked this reaction many times. Next, Finkelstein reaction. Again, I take any alkyl halide. You can take ethyl halide, methyl, etc. I am adding sodium iodide, NaI, under dry acetone. It is giving me Ri plus NaX. Okay. Many people forget to mention diacetone whenever they write Schwartz reaction and Finkelstein reaction. Guys, don't do that. You will lose marks in your exams. One whole 1 or 2 marks gets cut if you don't mention the single word diacetone. Okay, this is very important reagent. If the reaction cannot proceed further. Okay. Again, I have written X is equal to chlorine or bromine only. You may ask, why is this so? Well, why can't we use iodine or fluorine? Maybe your question. Well, if you want to know about that, please go and watch my previous video. I've mentioned the reason as to why we can't use. Anyways, those who all are watching this channel or series for the first time, let me tell once again कि why can't we use fluorine or iodine in these normal organic reactions. This is because fluorine is a very highest electronegative element in your whole periodic table. Okay, it is very reactive. It is so vigorously reactive that it can catch fire. So use of fluorine in organic reactions is not advisable and not safe. Secondly, iodine is very slow reaction. It will take several hours to proceed. Okay, and upon that you have to use oxidizing agents like HiO4, HNO3 acid, etc. Okay, that's why it is not advisable to use fluorine or chlorine. One is very highly reactive, other one is very slow in reaction. Chlorine or bromine, you can say they are medium, moderate. We can use them. Okay, so this is it for today. We'll continue in the next session, and please watch the video till the end. Like, share and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section below how useful was this video to you and how you liked it. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.